Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to quickly boost the performance of your XIAOMI A Pro TV. So to do that, we can use the pre-installed TV Booster application, which is available in your apps list. If you scroll to the very right, next to the Miracast, you will find the TV Manager feature, and if you select it and then select Optimize, it will boost your device's memory. It will also delete the excessive data, and it will also speed up your TV's connection. You can also manually perform memory boost, so the RAM memory of your TV, where you can clean your device's RAM. You can run the storage cleaner. You can uninstall apps here by simply selecting an application that you want to uninstall. You can perform deep cleaning and remove large files, app data, or free up most of your storage with just one click. And you can also update your software using USB here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.